Okay, you guys, so I am back in the Dollar Tree and I am just looking around. Girl, you got this. These are some cute notebooks. Dream big. I think those are, oh, brilliant ideas. I like this one because it looks marble right here. And then it looks like that at the top. And then I also see this one. That's really cute. And it's just lined paper. Oh my goodness, you guys know I have a weakness for stickers. Look at these. These are so cute. They say metallic foil. Oh, I love those. I will definitely be getting those. And they kind of look like they're clear, like a see-through. That's kind of cool. So I see cactus, these cute little dragonflies, bees, caterpillars. Look at the colors on those. Super cute. What else? Oh, pineapples. I like how that one is kind of trimmed in black. Those are cute. What else is there? There's some cute boxes. These are perfect for fall, like to use in your planner or crafting. Oh, these are super adorable. Look at those. And then there's also some unicorns. Okay, I'll be actually getting one of each. Right here I see some new clipboards. This one is cute. Be clever. Then I see this blue one. This floral one is really pretty. I feel like I've seen this one before, but I think it didn't have the black and white stripes. And then I also see this one. Oh, they are finally bringing back the organizer cases. These were super hot when everybody was making the embellishment boxes. Even I did. Here is some flip top, little card holder, but you can use these for whatever. I like these. Oh, I like these napkins. These are real cute. Little lemons, watermelon, and oranges. How cute are those? And you get 16 of them. Look at these two books right here. Pretty Little Things. And it shows you how to make all kind of stuff. A bead dazzled bud vase. Oh. Look at that. All kinds of stuff. This is like the ultimate DIY book, huh? Oh, that's kind of cool. Sally Jean Alexander. And this retailed for $22. And then here's another one. Envisioning the life of your dreams through arts. Creative Awakenings. Oh, that's not a craft book, but it's kind of cool. And this one retailed for $24.99. And then up there, I just pulled it down. Here's a Clinton Cash, the untold story of how and why foreign governments and businesses helped make Bill and Hillary rich. That's interesting. Oh, they finally put out more of the fans. This one says Slay, or is this the one that says Blessed? The ones that shows the words on them. They have the regular ones too, but then there was the ones that had the little cute little sayings on them and stuff. They're mixed all in here. Hallelujah, I think. Yeah. They have some pretty bags right now. Look at that. To have and to hold. If you know somebody that's getting married. Oh, this one says I do. That's pretty. Mr. and Mrs. Happily Ever After. And you got a few more right here. Oh, here's the wheel cleaning wipes I showed in my last video. They come in that box like that, and you get 16 extra large wipes. And right next to it, you got some Essential Blends vent clips, vanilla lavender, calm your hectic commute. That's what it says. And eucalyptus mint. And that says refresh your daily routine. I wonder how good they smell. They just go on the vents. Odor elimination. I haven't really been having any luck with those kind of things, but since it's Armor All, I'll probably get one of these. Oh, look over here by all the Mother's Day stuff. This cup is cute. Love Begins with Mom. They put out more of the little trinket dishes, so they have those. as well as these. That one says Inspire. And then they just put everything out over here. Wax melts, pink lily, white lavender, apple plum and cranberry spice and strawberry shortcake, basil and bergamot, mango, pineapple, and and Daybright crystal and crushed diamonds. Okay. They have the little drawers and more of the diffusers. And here's some slippers with closed toe. I usually see the ones that are open, but these are closed toe. And I don't know, have you guys seen these cards? They are in Spanish, but they are super pretty. Look at that. That one, Mama Hermosa, Amorosa, I believe that's how you say it. Look at me trying to speak Spanish. Feliz Dia de la Madre. Tell me if I said that right. Te amo, abuelita. Oh, that's so cute. Super Mama. These are super cute. Mama eres mi superhero. Don't be laughing at my Spanish, y'all. Abuela. Feliz Dia de la Madre. Gracias. Wait, I can't see that. Gracias por ser como eres. I don't know. I know I messed that one up. And this one is super pretty. Con mucho amor, mami. You guys like how I rolled my R? Those are pretty though. Alright you guys, I'm gonna get out of here. This was just a super quick walkthrough. Just kind of stopped in here. I was happy that I found those stickers. I am getting some of those. And that will be it